Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve to edit YouTube videos. First, launch DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Set your timeline resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is standard for high-definition YouTube content. Next, import all your media files, including video clips, audio, and any graphics, into the media pool. Organizing these assets into clearly labeled bins will significantly streamline your editing process, making everything easy to find. Now, let's dive into the basics of editing. Drag and drop your imported clips from the media pool onto the timeline to start building your video. Utilize the cut and trim tools to precisely remove any unwanted sections or awkward pauses, ensuring your video flows well. Don't forget to add smooth transitions between your clips. DaVinci Resolve offers a wide variety, from simple dissolves to more dynamic wipes, enhancing the visual appeal of your YouTube content. Next, we'll focus on refining your video's audio and visual elements. Start by adjusting the audio levels for all your tracks to achieve consistent volume, preventing any sudden loud or quiet moments. Apply noise reduction and equalization to clean up your sound, making voices clear and background music balanced. Then, move to color correction. Even basic adjustments to exposure and white balance can dramatically improve your video's professional appearance, making colors pop and scenes look vibrant. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece for YouTube. Navigate to the Deliver page within DaVinci Resolve. Here, you'll find a convenient YouTube preset that automatically configures optimal export settings for the platform. Select a clear file name and choose a destination folder where your finished video will be saved. Double-check that the output resolution is set to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then hit Render to create your high-quality YouTube video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.